my update on my fingers. Last week went to the appointment for the, what they call, special hand class. Special hand class. Okay. What they have done is, they said since my bone is cracked, so, and just like a short period of time, just a short period of time, so they can't do anything on it yet. They have to let the bone heal by itself. What they did is they, what is that the machine called? The magnetic magnet frequency, something like that. A big bowl, something like a bowl. So, and then they give me a big pack of ice and some cloth wrap around the ice like that, and then I make the treatment for about half an hour. So I'm going back to have the next appointment is next week. Okay, let's see. So it's not too bad. It's look not too bad, right? It's still swollen. Now even though I press it like lightly, is feel okay, but actually my pinky here is swollen. I can't bend it. It's pain like this set, and the middle finger is fine, but it's not really, like, I can't bend it like tight. This is the maximum now, but okay, but this is tip. Yeah. So because it's look like okay, once a while when I use my fingers to do something, to lift something lightly, have some weight on it, then I feel the pain of like here. I can still feel like numb on half of my finger. This side is fine, but this side is numb, like half of it is numb. When I try to hold something, have some weight, not really heavy, but have some weight, or I use my finger to grab something, like my hand to grab something like intensively, then I will feel like a knife cut of pain, like here, like this. Sometimes even my middle fingers also have lightly reactions on it. So I asked the doctor that why it is like, I thought it's only like these two fingers, but they say like the nerves is all connected, maybe that is why. So just be patient. Take time, at least 4 to 6 weeks time to see the result. So I have a lot of cleaning to do anyhow. You see my post of from the Instagram or Facebook. It's new. I just went to some shopping with Christy. It's because her prom dinner tomorrow night. I should say tonight. On the 31st. As you see, her skin tone is like more like sunshine of healthy glow. Like it's not the same type of. We have different type of skin base tone color. I'm more pink, especially from the hands. Now it's look green because of the lighting. I'm more pink comparing with hers. Hers is more yellow, so I just buy her own color kind of foundations, like the Bobbi Brown. The new one is like she don't need any heavy coverage, but that foundation have some so-called serum in it. Moisturize is more important for her. And then I saw a set of the this is because it's I think it's like 600. Is it 400 or 600 Hong Kong? They have discount on it, so I bought it. And I'm still wonder. They said it's a night, but the day cream and the repair cream that I have purchased long time ago. And this one has SPF 25 on it, and they said it's fine to use at night. Anyhow, and I read some review that they said the non-SPF one is more what you call heavy, but give it a go and see how it goes. This is the eye treatment, the eye cream, and a small jar or drip of the what you call this is the let's see, face oil. I can't really use my hand for like to open jar. As you see from the Instagram, Christy lost a lot of weight just in 2 months time. She lost one dress size at least. I think I have to remove this and see. It's a lot of sweat and aircon, so my skin is very dry. The smell like I never bought Bobbi Brown face oil before. Let's see how it go. Before my hands I can't really touch it. I feel pain, but now it's better not to use the finger, but not as bad. Actually, about 2 nights ago, I feel it's better because I can bend my fingers until here. Okay, until here. And then one of my rosemary plants is like dying. I don't know what happened to it. So I tried to change to a different kind of pot and put more rocks on it to have more like drainage. Actually, I already bring the pot close to the canopy because of the heavy rain, non-stop raining for a couple days. So I put under the canopy, so it's not like soaked in water. That's of course still damp, right? I don't know what happened, so that's why I changed the soil, put in more rocks, volcano rocks and things like that. And after that, I can't bend it. Yeah, cannot try to hold heavy things. Anyhow, the doctor already warned me that like even like after 100% recover, not really 100%. It won't be 100% recover. Very thick. Very thick. This is actually, it's been a long time like Bobbi Brown. The first time that attract my attentions of Bobbi Brown is the jar, the design of the jar. That's why I bought some hers product before. It's not because how good the product is, it's because the design of the jar. The smell is nice. I like the smell. In between like herbal and spa, like hopefully will not have some what you call oil seeds around my eye area. I want to give this one to Christy to try. Actually, I bought some Chinese skincare product for her. Like, actually, she the one who want to try it. We bought it on the store. It's quite expensive. It's not the one like the one I bought from Taobao. It's the one on the shop. It's quite pricey. And she used it because when she tested it on her skin, her hands, she loved it. She feel like moisturized. And then about a week later, she used it on her face. She found like it's too heavy for her. So maybe next video I give it a try and see how it goes. You can see my pores is getting bigger is because of the dryness, and maybe I quit my keto for about since I hurt my fingers. Maybe I felt a little bit depressed when I hurt my fingers. I need some carbs and sweet. But I will be going back to keto for, let's see, okay, or just follow Christy diet. It's very hard for me to go keto is because like Christy go on low fat diet, and my partner, he can't have dinner without carbs. Of course I can choose, right? But the thing is, keto diet is mainly you have to have high fat diet. Since Christy don't really want high fat and my partner don't want high fat, how can I be high fat then? And also, I read one of the Taiwanese. She is health is it health or medical journalist. She lost weight on keto diet. She said that she didn't lose that much weight, but she lost inches on her waist size. I can see the difference on her, but very fast that like she quit. She said it is because her age. She's 40 something, and because she is medical journalist, she do a lot of research that she quit keto. So that's why I'm thinking like should I go back to keto? But I love food so much. Maybe low carbs, almost like now I choose like low carbs, not no carbs diet maybe, since I really liked like wonton noodles and I like bread. So only home cooking, like it's really hard to go out to have dinner. Like today I have pork chop, Spanish pork chop, the ibri something pork, just 120 gram for the meat, small piece, and then a stick of 2 pieces of this length of the asparagus. Actually just only 1 stick, cut it half. And then purple smashed sweet potatoes, like maybe another 100 grams only. That's my dinner actually. And some like early supper actually. Then we got home about a couple hours later, about 7-8 o'clock. I have about 200 grams, something like that, a pack, the plastic pack of rocket. I have the whole packet, some cheese, and I put some truffle sauce, some good olive oil. That's it for my dinner. Yeah, so that's it. I just need to update my fingers. So far so good. Want to rush them to heal. I have tons of things for me to do. Without these fingers, I can't hold my chopsticks. I can't even write properly. Like my partner said, don't use your right hand, you just use your left hand. It's hard. I've been using these hands for how many years already? All of a sudden, like everything you do, like automatic, even though like you will reach for it with your dominant hands. Right, you can see I'm very sleepy. Okay, thank you very much for your patience. I have another video coming up. Maybe after this will be less than a week. Okay, promise. Bye bye.